So the machine helper position is very unique because we take people with or without experience, and we don't really expect that anyone has worked in printing ever before. So you can learn everything you need to know on the job.
The type of person that'd be good as a machine helper here at J.S. McCarthy is somebody that likes to work with their hands, somebody that takes an interest in mechanics, somebody that likes working in a fast-paced environment, somebody that doesn't like to do the same thing necessarily every single day.
As a machine helper, we're here to check for quality, to make sure that there are no mistakes, to get the job done in an efficient way so our customers are happy.
The most important task, I would say, is they do a lot of quality control checks on the product that we're running. They stand at the end of the machine and they will check product as it's coming through the machine, pack it into the box, and make sure that the product we're sending out is of high standards.
This job is important to me because it offers stability, flexibility, excellent opportunity to job.
While the machine helper's job is really to support the machine operator in running the equipment as effectively and as efficiently as possible. They do that by a couple different things. They do that by putting product into the feeder and feeding the machine. They do that by catching off the end of the machine. They do that by inspecting product for defects. They do that by reading job tickets and customer POs and translating that into labels and packing lists and tracking sheets for the client.
The machine helper is very important because they do most of what goes on that machine. The operator looks over things. The machine helper does it all. They go from start to finish, right through the line. That's why we are important to our operators.
It's a launch pad, it's a point to come in and learn about the company and the job and all the different pieces that go into creating a printed carton.
Machine helper is an entry-level position, but it's really the catalyst to everything else that you can do here in the company.
I started as a helper back in 1995 as a press helper, and I ran a press for 26 years, and then they moved me into middle management, and now I'm the logistics manager. So I'm a good example of coming here with no experience and now in middle management.
It's a really unique opportunity to learn on the job while having, great pay, great benefits, a really friendly team, and a lot of upward mobility, which I think is a unique opportunity.